If we get that, buckle up, Buttercup, because that's the last piece that I see that needs to be in place before things unwind here. And they wait it out until the next meeting, or will they have to act sooner? I think they're going to have to act sooner. Their back is up against the wall. If we do see another spike in oil, which I do anticipate this week, once the people figure out that the oil reserves are super low, I think oil is going to go back the other way. But if that were to occur, you would see inflation rear its head there in Japan again. You would see the yen continue to weaken against the dollar, and they would have no recourse left after the intervention today but to act and raise interest rates aggressively. They need to be at 1.5 or higher, so 50 basis points is what you're discussing there. But that's also going to push their 10-year over 3%. It's going to push their other bonds up, which are also hitting all-time highs in recorded history. So, I do not see a way, and this is dangerous, I'm just going to say this. I personally don't see a way that they can make it to the next meeting or monetary meeting without coming out with an emergency something and acting. I really, they are backed into a corner here that they cannot get out of. We now need that for stable coins to be adopted at scale and be rolled out to be able to mitigate the risk of the bond market collapsing when the reverse carry trade unwinds. They've been very methodical up to this point of rolling things out prior to the need for them and making sure that everything's in place. So it would not surprise me to see the OCC come out sometime this week with their guidance around stablecoins. And if we get that, buckle up, Buttercup, because that's the last piece that I see that needs to be in place before things unwind here. Could they do it contingent on the unwind? But like I said, they've been very methodical, so I tend to believe that they're going to do that prior to allowing it to happen.